Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I tell you how to know your partner has feelings for another woman. Please must watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. When someone has feelings for us, they will make a lot of effort to be as close to us as possible, both physically and emotionally. If your man has suddenly stopped listening to you when you speak, or the physical relationship between you both abruptly comes to a halt, it is time to start worrying that his interest has left the focus of you. If he has or is developing feelings for another woman, this might be difficult for him to hide. Whenever we are interested in someone, we want to boast to everyone about him. Even though might be trying to control himself, he might mention her name a lot, or trying to bring her into the conversations you are having. This can be especially alarming if she was not his friend previously and seems to have popped up out of nowhere. You might used to talk about everything and anything, sharing all your feelings and thoughts. Your relationship should be an open and safe space where you can share everything. However, if he has feelings for someone else, this might have changed. If you notice a difference and he is closing up emotionally to you, this is not good news. He might just be confiding in someone else. Does it always feel like his phone is blowing up? Maybe you are out for a date night and he won't stop texting. This could be a sure sign he is speaking to someone else, especially if she is acting shady and not answering incoming calls in front of you. If you ask who he is, call and he acts standoffish or can't give you an answer quickly, this is a powerful indicator that it's not just his friends or work that are needing to speak to him. It's probably someone a little more significant to him that he is hiding from you. Make sure you decide to speak to him somewhere that is comfortable of both for you. Somewhere we both feel safe and respected. Tell him that you have your suspicions. He has feelings for someone else and see what he says. If he has any respect for you, he will be honest with you. If he does admit to having feelings for someone else, it is perfectly valid of you to express your emotions and show him how much he has hurt you. If you like this video, so please comment on our comment box and don't forget to share it. And thanks for watching.